Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you a clinical screen overview. The clinical screen is a quick and efficient way to access all of the clinical information related to the patient in one place. There are various tabs available with all of the necessary information set up to be easily accessible and worked on. Clinical information can range from a patient's family or vaccine history, the list of medications currently prescribed, as well as account information of the data linked to the patient. This video will consist of a brief overview of the following tabs: Clinical Case, Invoice Details, Switch Details, Clinical History, and the Medical History tabs. Let us go over the Clinical History screen. From the Diary screen, click on the Desired Patient Booking. The Diary Sidebar will open. Click on the Clinical button. The Clinical Case screen will open by default. The Clinical Case screen is mainly used to access forms found within the Forms library. Various forms are available to the user, such as a general examination form that can be used to make detailed clinical notes regarding specific parts of the body. A patient dashboard is available for the user. For more information regarding the patient dashboard, please refer to the Clinical Screen Sidebar Patient Dashboard user manual linked in this video's description. Please note, any easy events that have been displayed on the Clinical Case sidebar have been previously set up. For more information regarding easy events, please refer to the Easy Events user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Clinical History tab to open the Clinical History screen. Clinical history allows the practitioner to see all previous medical records of a patient and to access and store the patient's clinical events, such as previous scripts, sick notes, investigation forms, etc. The clinical history can give the practitioner an indication of what might be wrong with the patient and can advise the practitioner what health issues the patient might be at risk for. For more information regarding the clinical history, please refer to the Clinical History user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Medical History tab. The Medical History screen will open. Medical history is a record of health information about a patient's close relatives that should be recorded by the medical practitioner and will affect the way the patient is diagnosed and treated. The Medical History screen contains a variety of expandable panels with additional information. The additional panels can be filled in and changed when the patient provides extra information. For more information regarding the medical history, please refer to the Medical History user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Invoice tab. The Invoice Details screen will open. When a patient is examined or treated by a practitioner, an invoice will be sent to the patient or the medical aid for services rendered. The invoice will be made out to the main member or the individual responsible for the account payment or the medical aid. However, the patient's details will also appear on the invoice screen. For more information regarding the invoice details, please refer to the Invoice Screen user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Switch Details tab. The Switch Details screen will open. After a patient has been for a consultation at a practice, a claim will be sent to the practice's medical aid. The claim will be processed and a response will be sent back to the practice with regards to whether the claim has been approved or declined. The Switch Details screen will contain all of the relevant information regarding the process, as well as the end result of the switching. For more information regarding the Switch Details, please refer to the Web App Switch Response user manual linked in this video's description.